What's up, guys? Today we'll be checking out this portable projector. This is a very unique projector. It's a mini portable projector by the brand Clokowe. The model is a T08, and here's the box that it came packaged. According to the box, it rotates up to 180 degrees. The projection maximum size is up to 200 inches, which is really good. And it has a 45-degree direction. It's an Ultra HD high dynamic range projector. It does offer 4K, it does offer Wi-Fi 6, and it has a bulb life of 50,000 hours. So let's check it out. We already have it out of the box. Here's the box that it came in, and here's what it looks like. So it's a very unique, it almost looks like a cup, you know, like one of those coffee cups, but it's pretty cool because it rotates. As you can see, it rotates back and forth. So it's a very cool stand that you can literally throw the projection at it and adjust it as you need it, which is cool. Here's what it looks like up close. Looks like we have the lens right here. Looks like we might have speakers there as well. The lens does have a little cover. Here in the back is where we have the power supply. We have a USB port, HDMI port, power button, and the headphone jack right there. We might have fans right here for the air. And inside of the box, we also did get this very cool or very easy to use controller. We have the power supply, we have an HDMI cable, and a user manual and warranty info from Clokowe. So I'm excited to check it out. I haven't seen one of these. They're pretty small, and it should be cool to adjust it to different angles, which sometimes we need a tripod for a projector, but this one, you just have to adjust it. All right, guys, so we have the unit plugged into the power. Here's the screen size right now off the box. We're about 5 feet away from the wall, and it's about 80 to 90 inches wide. We do have it set up in the box. This is what the unit looks like. Has the power button right here, HDMI button, power supply right there. We can hear the fans blowing right there. Here's the box again. And we can adjust this right here, the resolution right here. So if you need to zoom in and out, we can adjust it right here, which is very useful. And then one thing that I like about the projector itself, it does have this nice grip right here on the bottom, and you can rotate this depending on how you want it to view. So if you want to make it higher, if you want to go high, you can go higher or go down, and pretty much adjust it to your preference. So we have it set up right there right now. One thing that I like about it, it does have a controller. Here's the controller, and I like how responsive the software is, because sometimes with these projectors, they don't have the greatest software, but this one, it works really fast, so it doesn't get jammed like other ones. And then what we're gonna do right now for our testing, we're actually gonna iOS cast. So there's two ways to cast. You can actually connect it via your screen mirroring or plug it in directly into the cable of the iPhone, but we're just gonna do the screen mirroring right there. So with the other hand, I'm trying to do it right now. So we're gonna go to projector, and as you guys can see, it instantly connected right there. So right now, if we wanted to show our screen, this is what it looks like. And then we're gonna try and watch a video. So here we have the video playing for my phone. We're gonna turn the phone around, and we're gonna let it load right there. So as you guys see, the video's loading really good. We have our projector right here. We can adjust it up and down. Let me adjust the resolution a little bit with this little knob right here. So as you guys can see, it looks really good. Right now we're about 100 inches, which is not bad. Let me make it wider. There we go. About 100 inches right there. Let's turn out the volume. So it looks really good. I mean, this is a screencast from my phone, and it looks very detailed, so check it out. And one thing I like about this projector is that you can literally expand up to 200 inches. So right now I'm grabbing the projector with my hand, and I'm backing up, and this is about maybe 120, 140 inches, and it still looks really good. So this one supports 4K, which is cool, and it should be higher resolution. All right, guys, so that was a quick look at this mini projector. the Clokowe 4K mini projector. Things that I liked about it, the adjustment and the way that it rotates is pretty cool. I like that you can point it up into the, let's say the sky. If you had a flat ceiling, you could always point it up there, or any screen, you can literally rotate it any way you want. So depending on where you're trying to throw the image to, you can rotate it to. The lens right here, you can adjust it with this knob right here. It zooms in and out right there. So that's really cool. One thing that I would want is maybe another knob to adjust the lens up and down, kind of center it correctly, or balance it left and right. But it doesn't have that. But the projector tries doing it on its own. Pretty simple, plug and play. You plug it into the power, plug in your USB memory, or plug in your HDMI, or screen mirror directly from your phone. As you guys, we did that with my phone, and one power button. The controller is also easy to use, and the image is really good. I mean, I really like the image from screen mirroring and also plugging it directly to my MacBook. So we just wanted to show you guys a quick walkthrough of this projector. We really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.